Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use VPN for TikTok. First, you'll have to open Play Store on your phone or App Store, whatever you use. Then go to the search bar, and here you should search for VPN. You will find many VPN applications. You'll find the free options, the paid options. It doesn't really matter. I can give you multiple options that you can choose one of them in order to use it on your phone. As you can see, we have many options, but what I recommend and I actually used before is Panda VPN, Free VPN by Proxy or Planet VPN, and also this one right here, VPN Proxy Master, and finally this option right here. You can download any one of them. You can also try NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or even Surfshark. It doesn't really matter. You just have to choose the VPN that suits your needs. And after that, you should go and open the VPN. And I forgot to tell you that I have made many videos about which VPN is best fit for you and the best VPNs that you can use on your phone. So now I'm going to open Planet VPN. Then I'll choose the country. In my case, I'll choose anything rather than USA. I'll choose Germany, for example. Then after that, click on connect. Then what you should do right now is to simply and go open TikTok. And there you have it. You have TikTok used on your VPN. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.